What's going on, guys? Jace back with another review. Voopoo Rex U-Force tank. So yet again, another one I sent to via Voopoo to have a look at. So essentially, Rex single 18650 mod. I think it's 5 to 88 watts. Didn't even check that, probably should have first yet. 5 all the way up and goes up the point increments. 80 watts. So 0 to 80, I like sitting it on around the 50. Yeah, like I said, single 18650. I've got the U-Force tank on there, which does come with it in the kit. The M1 coil, so that's a single mesh coil. It also comes with, I think, the U2 or the U4. But yeah, I like the mesh coils. In this one, I do have some Easy E-liquid, which is like a mango nectar. Love this juice. It is one of my favourites. And the guy who makes it's an absolute legend. So yeah, I've used the newbie as well, the Voopoo newbie, which is very, very similar to this. To the point that I can't really tell the difference between the newbie and the Rex, apart from when one starts it says Rex, when the other one starts it says newbie. Only other difference is the colours. This one's obviously the nice red. The newbies were very limited in their colour set. Anyway, let's take it for a vape. I have been using it for about a week. I've had week and a half. I've had 3 vapes on rotation throughout the week. This has been one of them. I did not take this out with me the other night. I primarily stuck with the X217 and the Rotor when I went out. But yeah, I haven't had any leakage on the tank. I mean, it's a simple screen. It's standard Voopoo 510 single 18650. A lot of people don't like single 18650 regulated mods. I think it does have its place for a starter kit. Someone who's recently started vaping, who doesn't want to say go like a pod system. They want sort of like a mod, something like this. Yeah, I mean, between this, the Voopoo Caliber, the Mojo, the newbie, very, very similar mods. Slightly different designs, all very similar. I think they're all vape roughly the sort of same. I personally prefer something like this, say, over the Mojo. I have 2 Mojos. I have the standard kit and the one with the Conjure, so the Mojo R. I do prefer 18650s. Purely because if I go away for the weekend or my mod goes flat, I've got half a dozen spares, so I can just switch it out, bang, straight in. Yeah, other than that, like I said, I like to vape it around 50 watts. 0.13 ohms it's rating at. I mean, it's a nice flavour, easy to use. It is very small in the hand as well, which is handy. It is one of my favourite juices, so I do smash this one quite often. Yeah, quite like the mod. Is it something I'm going to use constantly? I don't know. I think it will be. Maybe. I don't know. I like it. It is easy to use. Obviously, I mean, it's a lot easier to carry than, say, a drag. It's a lot smaller. Being a single as well, you will be able to, you know, if you go away for a weekend or a week, you take, you know, a dozen batteries with you, you'll be right to go. I'm getting 1 to 2 days out of the battery at the moment, depending how much I'm vaping it. Some days I vape a lot, sometimes I don't vape a lot at all. But yeah, quite enjoying it. I think it's a good design. Can't really think of anything they could do, maybe, to spruce it up. It's a simple device, a very good starter kit. The advanced vapors, it's probably not for you, unless you want something simple, but it's literally pick up, set your wattage. Someone who doesn't need something super powerful, say like a drag, which has up to your 157, or your X217, which is up to 217 watts. If you just want to run a simple sub-ohm tank, it's not a bad little device. Price point, I think it's sitting around the $40 US. I could be wrong there. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that is the Voopoo Rex. Not a bad little device. Yeah. See you the next one.